Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your carrier plan supports the JV data profile and any roaming you might need. Once done, open Settings and toggle Cellular Data on, then make sure Wi-Fi is off to force the cellular connection. Next, verify or enter the APN settings under Cellular Data Network so your phone can authenticate correctly. If you see a profile prompt, install it. This links your device to the JV service. These initial steps get the connection ready for use. You now install any carrier or JV profile certificate and restart the iPhone to apply changes. Once restarted, go to Cellular Data Options and choose LTE or 5G and decide whether to allow data roaming based on location and charges. Make sure to restrict background app refresh for high consumption apps. Go to Settings General Background App Refresh. Also, monitor per app usage in cellular to spot data hogs, and set realistic daily. You finish by testing connectivity. Load a web page and play a short stream to confirm speed and stability. If the phone fails to register or data won't start, reset network settings in Settings General Reset, then reapply the APN or profile. This often clears conflicts. If problems persist, collect your device IMEI and current APN values and contact the JV carrier support for provisioning checks. One key tip: always try a restart after profile changes. Many issues resolve with a simple reboot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.